So what we have here is a 200-litre petrol compressor. So we have the Honda GX390 engine, which is a 14 horsepower engine, and then you also have your large pistons here, which is a 3-cylinder piston, for a very fast filling of this tank. Really good for the likes of tire changing and application. Also on this side as well, you actually the whole unit is belt driven on a double belt drive. So absolutely really fast for building up pressure. So I think that's about it for that one. So with this machine, it's really easy to start up. Just once you have your choke on and everything is connected, then we have a key start here.